What is up, my fellow yarn besties? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. And if you're new to the channel or watching my videos for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you stick around. And if you like what you see in this video, feel free to subscribe and hit that like button. And also hit that bell notification icon so you get notified when videos are being released. And if you're returning viewer and or loyal subscriber, thank you for coming back, as I appreciate your patronage as always. So today is an impromptu Goodyear yarn haul. So Goodwill yarn haul. I cannot talk. The Goodwill yarn haul. So after I got done with the gym, I got in my car and think like, let me go. Something was telling me to go to the Goodwill. Go to the Goodwill. Go to the Goodwill. So I decided to listen to the voice and I went over to the Goodwills, because originally I was trying to see if I could find any more St. Patrick's Day decor for my St. Patrick's Day tree that I have downstairs. But I didn't see much of anything I wanted. But then I wandered over to the craft section, which is kind of like 3 bins they have on a shelf, and like a little section of their shelving for crafts. So I hit the jackpot, actually. So I scored a bunch of skeins of yarn, some knit needles, and a couple of books on knitting. So I will go into those right now. So let's move on. Let's go to the books first. And each of these books was $1.50 a pop. So I got 3 books for $4.50. And the first book I got was Learn to Knit Afghan books. So this is basically about learning to knit Afghans. So I'm going to look through this and see if there's any projects in here that I may tackle on and share with y'all. So I'm going to read through this. Then the second book is The Knitter Knitting Masterclass. Again, this was $1.50. So again, I was looking through the book and there was like different patterns and techniques about knitting and different types of stitches and whatnot. So again, I'm going to read through this and see if I can pick up any new tips and tricks. And then the third one is the Encyclopedia of Knitting. So this is basically probably a book of knit stitches and knitting techniques, and probably some projects in here. Yeah, I'm looking at there's a couple projects in here, like a vest and pillow sampler and so forth. So I'm going to look through this and see if there are any projects that I want to tackle on and share with y'all. So those are the 3 books that I bought. I was trying to find crocheting books, but I didn't see that they had any. Most of them were all knitting. Then second, okay, so I'm going to move on to the next knitting related items. And so they had a bin of knitting needles, and I was actually lucky. Still in the packaging, 2 sets of the Clover Takumi bamboo knitting needles. These are, let me see, I have these were actually $2 a piece. Even though the sticker says 4, the receipt says it was, I got the receipt beside me here, so I'm looking at this. I think $2 a piece. So it was just fantastic because these retail for about close to $20, $25 for these knitting needles. I could be wrong on the retail price, but I'm just guessing at this point. But I was like shocked. I was like, holy crap, I found these knitting needles that you see at the retail stores for, I think, like around $10 to $15 for a pair. So I scored on these. So that's awesome. So now on to the yarn. So the first skein of yarn I got was Red Heart Super Saber. And I like the colors on this. I see some browns, tans, some greens, a little bit of blue in here. And the colorway for this is Aspen Print. So there's the name for that, Aspen Print. And this is just a Super Saver skein. So the stats are, it's a 5 ounces or 141 grams, 236 yards or 215 meters. Again, this is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and the recommended hook size for this yarn is a size I or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or if you're for knitting needles, size US 8 or 5 millimeter. All the yarns I got were $2 a piece. Well, I think, let me make sure, some of these were 3, some were some were $2, some were $3. So let's just put it that way. So the next one I got, this is a size 2 fine yarn. I think this is like sock yarn. This is Annie's Hook and Needle. I've never heard of this brand before. It's a number 2 fine yarn. It's 100% acrylic. 6 ounces or 170 grams and approximately 500 yards. So there's the stats for that. And the colorway, I'm assuming it's just white. I'm assuming it's just like white because I don't see a colorway on the back of this. Then I found 2 skeins of the With Love from Red Heart. And again, this is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. So it's 100% acrylic, I believe. Yes. And then this was $3. And the colorway on this is Hollyberry. And then there's the stats for that. It's recommended hook size for this yarn is a size K or 10.5 millimeter crochet hook. Or 6.5, sorry. It's a size K 10. 6.5 millimeter, or if you're using knitting needles, it is a size US 9 or 5.5 millimeter knit needles, and it's machine washable. It's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and the stats as 7 ounces or 198 grams, 370 yards or 338 meters. So there's the stats for that. So I got 2 of these, and these were $3 a piece. And it feels nice and soft. It's not like the other kind of acrylic yarn that you normally see from Red Heart. Then I saw this yarn. I never heard of this brand. It's called Windtuck. And these were $2 a piece. And I like the colorway on this. They call this Mauve Ombre. You see some pinks, some purples, whites. I'm thinking this looks more like a stripy yarn, but they call it ombre. Let's see here. And let's see, the recommended hook size on here is a size I or a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, or if you're using knitting needles, size US 8 or 5 millimeter pair of knit needles. And I got 5 of these, so I'm thinking about making a blanket with these yarns, because these are all the same colors. I got 5 of these, and these were $2 a piece. Alright, so that does it for my impromptu, ginormous Goodwill yarn haul. So I hope everyone stays going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles. Grab some yarn, create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another. Take care of one another. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself because you're the most important person in this universe. And don't let anyone deter you from your true path. Don't let anyone knock you off your path. So to thine own self be true. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very, very important any time of the year. And I cannot stress that enough. And I strongly believe in that. And I got some more videos coming down the pike, so be ready for those. And I'm also going to record a couple more videos for the National Crochet Month series that I have on this channel, so stay tuned for that as well. Yeah, so the weather here is still a little crappy. The rain stopped. It's still cloudy, but not terrible. But have a great day, everybody. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when new videos are being released. And now, on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.